Are you tired of slaving away in the kitchen night after night on recipes with long ingredient lists and hard to pronounce names? Well, you're in luck. This minestrone in minutes is just as simple as it sounds, and the best part is it's super healthy and tasty. This recipe takes 30 minutes to make. That's 10 minutes prep time and 20 minutes cooking. And if you don't have to stand around the kitchen watching your soup take life, you can fold some clothes or help the kids with their homework in the meantime. Here's what you'll need, and the good news is you probably already have a lot of this in your fridge and pantry. You'll need 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, 1 stalk celery, 2 cloves garlic, 1 can of 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, 1 can of 15.5 ounces of canned cannellini beans, 1 medium zucchini, 4 cups vegetable stock, 1 teaspoon dried basil, half a teaspoon dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. The first step is prepping your veggies. Dice 1 large onion in small pieces because no one likes big chunky onions in their soup. Next, slice your 2 carrots, then your bundle of celery, and lastly your zucchini. Don't forget the most important part. Make sure you mince your 2 garlic cloves for a burst of flavor. Now let's get cooking. Place your prepped onion, carrots, celery, and garlic in a large pot and cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until softened for about 7 minutes. While your veggies are cooking, don't forget to add the basil, oregano, salt, and pepper to taste. Here's the part where you throw it all together and walk away. Stir in the can of tomatoes with their juices, next the can of beans, then the prepped zucchini, and lastly the 4 cups of vegetable stock. Bring your mixture to a boil, and then reduce the heat to low, cover your soup, and you're done. Now you have 20 minutes to spare where you can do a quick workout or just pop your feet up and relax because you deserve it. After the 20 minutes are up, you have a delicious meal to serve to your family over rice, noodles, or even by itself. Bon appetit!